walking around Wicker Park and seeing all the street art there and getting some food right now. Andrew's getting some drinks. It's really hot today, so the walking tour is just gonna be a quick drive-by instead. No parking anywhere, and the limited parking that there is paid parking, and you're not walking. I suggest having a buddy and one of you guys going inside and the other just sitting in the car so you don't have to pay for parking. It is so much warmer than I thought it would be today, and I'm not trying to walk around. Took a sip before I pull my camera out. How is it?
Bomb. I like
awesome.
It. Really chocolatey.
This is so good.
Right. Brain freeze for sure.
My weakness. Ooh, next thing. My long john. It's upside down. The chocolate smeared the way I grabbed it. This is really good. I just inhaled my chocolate long john and it was so bomb.
I almost drank my whole little frozen hot chocolate drink.
There's people walking by and I think that they think I was recording them. But we're gonna cruise around and then stop at some cool places to take pictures. This is so amazing. I don't even know how they made frozen hot chocolate. This is what the legit cheeseburger looks like. This is what the veggie one looks like. It's kind of red looking. I wonder what's in it. And then see what it tastes like. So I think it was just an off day with them.